Hey everyone, it's Hugh here, and I have some really exciting news about a new plugin I just created based on a concept by Harlan Kilstein. And when Harlan first approached me, it was like, oh sure, we can do that. But only now, after the plugin is finished, can I step back and evaluate what we've created here. And the fact is, I truly think it's quite phenomenal. In fact, it's surpassed even my own expectations in how well it works. So I wanted to make a video about it just to do a show and tell on this awesome new plugin. We call it the Page View Exploder, and that's exactly what it does for your blog or WordPress-based website. It'll increase your traffic statistics in terms of several important metrics, including the page view counts, as well as the user time on site, and that's reflected in your analytics console as real data. Above and beyond the empirical data that the plugin helps generate about your blog with your Google Analytics or your Piwik or whatever you use, it will also add additional class and finesse to your website by providing a lush showcase for amazing images in the form of a slideshow applet which appears in any page or post that you want it to appear on, just by copying and pasting a little bit of code that we provide in the plugin's admin section. Now, by pasting in that little code, you can easily create a keyword-based slideshow as the plugin interfaces directly with Flickr Images repository, providing a rich, beautiful image display that appears right on your blog post or page. Now, PageView Exploder Slideshow automatically creates attribution data for each and every image, so that's important these days if you want to stay on the good side of royalty-free images and the rights granted and the requirements for use and avoid lawsuits, basically. And to make a rich slideshow on any keyword, all you do is take this little bit of code and change it to your own keyword and paste it into the post or page you want it to show up in. And this rich, complex, full-featured slideshow automatically appears when any user browses the post. It's that simple. Or you can take it to a whole other level by creating your own custom slideshow, which is also very easy to do. Now, since PageView Exploder leverages the WordPress media system, you can upload your own images directly to your WordPress media library and insert them into your slideshow with just a couple of clicks. Then you can customize your slides with your own titles and descriptions, resulting in a rich, original photo show of just your own photos and your own titles and descriptions. Imagine all the possibilities. You could do an art show, a photo show, even a sequence of infographics. Really, the sky is the limit once you put your mind to this. But overall, your users will really appreciate the beauty and some awesome photographs, original or not. You can customize your slideshow to any degree you want, as I described, or you can just stick with the Flickr-based keyword slideshow and let Flickr's RSS feed worry about the titles and descriptions in the keyword slideshows, because they're generated automatically that way. Either way, you end up with a beautiful, engaging, addictive slideshow on your blog post or page. There are a number of ways your users will interact with your slideshows. Of course, they'll click from picture to picture, generating those page views for you, but they can also vote on each picture, like or dislike, and each vote is logged with the picture and the user's IP address, so everyone gets one vote per picture, which they can re-vote over and over, like or dislike. They can also share these pictures, and users love to share these. There are share buttons built in for Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. And of course, pictures are always nice, but the pretty pictures aren't the only benefit you get from your Page View Exploder slideshows. What might not be apparent is that the photo or image that displays inside your slideshow also is an actual page on your website with the image or photo embedded inside it. And it gets displayed in a frame in the slideshow. And since it's a real page on your website and not just an image, it's eligible to be tracked as a page view just by embedding your analytics code. Now, we don't know what analytics system that you've installed on your blog, so we give you a special place to add your analytics code right into the plugin to make sure you're getting credited for all the page views this plugin will now generate for you. So as your user sits on your blog post and clicks through from pretty picture to awesome photo, and you know it's hard to stop clicking once you start looking through one of these things, you're going to get stats on your page views for each and every time your user clicks to look at the next photo. It's just human nature that people like to sort of waste their time browsing from photo to photo. Now, because of that, the important time on site website metric will also increase for your blog, as Google will start to notice the real engagement that's going on. Now, this is going to increase your income in a number of ways. First, by driving up the impressions and clicks on your AdSense blogs, and by increasing your page views, the metric that advertisers love, you'll increase the value of your website by leaps and bounds. And by providing interesting, unique image display showcases to fascinate your users, you'll bring people back again and again to your blog and also invite new traffic as your stats shoot through the roof, resulting in higher page views, more user engagement, higher traffic, more sales, more clicks on your AdSense, the ability to charge higher advertiser revenues based on empirical data in your statistics, not to mention an awesome user experience on your website and interesting, almost hypnotizing content to mesmerize your users. Overall, it's a win-win situation that will increase your bottom line. So pick up PageView Exploder today. There are 3 different price levels, but they're all developer licenses. That means if you sell the website, you can also sell the PageView Exploder license for that website along with it. Now, we have options available for the single site license, the 2-site license, and unlimited sites. So just pick the license that's right for you. Get PageView Exploder today and blow up your traffic stats.